Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add a slide in PowerPoint and change its layout quickly and easily. First, open PowerPoint and load the presentation you're working on. Next, go to the Insert tab in the top menu. Now click on the New Slide button. From the drop-down options, select Blank to add a clean slide that you can customize. Once your new slide is added, navigate to the Design tab to give it some style. Click on the Theme dropdown to browse through various themes. Each theme applies a set of colors, fonts, and backgrounds to your slide. Select the theme that best fits the style and message of your presentation. Remember to consider contrast and font legibility, especially if you'll be projecting your slides. And that's it. You've successfully added a new slide and applied a theme to enhance your presentation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.